Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Neha and I am going to explain about Fibonacci series program in C language. So before going to program, let us understand what is Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is a sequence in which the next term is the sum of previous two numbers. For example, 0 and 1 are first two numbers and the sum of these two is 1, and again the sum of these two numbers is 2, and sum of these two is 3, sum of these two is 5. Write program for this in C language and how it will work. Now this is a program and I am taking integer variables n, first equals to 0, second equals to 1, next, and I variable. So what is n? N is the limit or term up to which term you want to generate Fibonacci series. Now in Fibonacci series, first two numbers you have to assign or initialize. First starting two numbers you have to assign in program, that is a 0 and 1. So I am storing 0 in first variable and 1 in second variable, and the next variable is to store the sum of previous two numbers. So here 0 plus 1 is 1, and to store next variable I am taking variable next, and I is for loop. So here enter the number of terms up to which term you want to generate Fibonacci number, and first % terms of Fibonacci series. It will be displayed on the screen. And what is n? Suppose I am taking n. Here enter the number of terms, that is 5. If I take 5, then what will be the output of this program? So for I equals to 0, I is less than n. What is n? N is 5. What is I? I is 0 now. So 0 is less than 5. S condition is true. So it comes in loop and checks for if condition. It comes in loop and checks for if condition. What is if condition? If I is less than or equals to 1. What is I? 0. I is 0. 0 is less than or equals to 1. S condition is true. It means it will execute this statement. So what is the I value? I value is 0 and it will be stored in next. It will not execute the else part. It will not execute the else part. It will directly come to printf statement. It will directly come to printf statement. And what is in printf? You are displaying next value. What is the value of next? 0. You are displaying 0, that is. Now again it will goes to for loop. I will be incremented now. I becomes 1. I is 1. I is less than 5. S. I is 1. I is less than 5. S condition is true. And it checks for if condition. I is what? I is 1 now. 1 is less than or equals to 1. Yes, 1 is equals to 1. So condition is true. It means it will execute this statement. So I is what? I is 1 now. It will store in next. If condition is true, it will execute this statement and it will not goes to else part. So it will not goes to else part. It will directly come to this part, printf. Here what you are displaying? Next value. What is stored in next now? 1 is stored in next now. It will be displayed on the screen. Now again it will goes to for loop. I is incremented. I becomes 2 now. I becomes 2 now. 2 is less than 5. Yes, 2 is less than 5. Again it comes in loop and checks for condition. 2 is less than or equals to 1? No, condition is false. So it will not execute this statement. It comes to else part. So what is first value? First value is 0. First value is 0 plus what is second value? Second value is 1. So this will be stored in, sum of these two will be stored in next. 0 plus 1 is 1. Now second value is what? 1. This will be stored in first. What is the value of next? Next value is 1. This will be stored in second. And it comes to printf statement. And it is displaying next value. What is the next value now? Next value is again 1. Now I value is incremented. I becomes 3 now. I is 3 is less than or equals to 5 as condition is true. So it comes in loop. If 3 is less than or equals to 1, 3 is less than or equals to 1, no, condition is false here. So it will not execute this statement. It will comes to else part. So what is the value of first? First value is 1. What is the value of second? Second value was also 1. Now what is the sum of these two? 2. Sum of these two is 2. Now what is the second value? 1 will be stored in first. And what is the next value? 2. Next value is 2. This will be stored in second. Now display the next value. What is the next value? Next value is 2. So it will display the next value. Now again loop will be incremented. I becomes 4. 4 is less than 5 as condition is true. Again it checks for if condition. I is less than or equals to 1. 4 is less than or equals to 1. No, condition is false here. Means it will not execute this statement. It will comes to else part. So what is the value of first now? First value is 1. What is the value of second? Second value is 2. So sum of these two is 3. Now second value is what? 2. 2 will be stored in first. What is the next value now? Next value is 3. 3 will be stored in second. So printf, display the statement. Next, what is stored in next now? 3. So display 3. Now again I is incremented. It becomes 5 now. Is 5 less than 5? No, condition is false. Means it will not execute this whole statement. It will comes to return 0. Means terminate the program. It will not execute whole this part. It comes to return 0. Means terminate the program. And what is displayed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the Fibonacci series up to 5 terms.